Settings, User Interface. On this tab, you can find controls to adjust some aspects of the user interface. Minimize to tray. If enabled, when you click the Minimize Window button, Streamer.Bot will minimize to the system tray and hide the window from the taskbar. Hide splash screen. If enabled, Streamer.Bot will not show the splash screen with the logo and version at the startup. Confirmation on close. If enabled, Streamer.Bot will prompt you to confirmation when clicking the Close Window button. Reset Delete confirmations. Resets all confirmation dialogues to their default settings. For example, when deleting something, if you have selected Don't Show Again, this will reset it. In the Action Colors section, you can change the color for subaction comments, change the color for disabled subactions. After open chat on startup, if enabled, Streamer.Bot will automatically open the built-in chat window at startup. After open event feed on startup, if enabled, Streamer.Bot will automatically open the built-in event feed window at startup. Disable capturing of variable viewer window. If enabled, prevents the variable viewer window from being captured by capture software. This setting requires a reopen of the window to take effect. In the Enabled Subactions tree view, you can deselect categories of subactions that you don't use and don't want to clutter the subactions list. In the Enable Triggers tree view, you can deselect categories of triggers that you don't use and don't want to clutter the triggers list. To apply the changes to this list, you will need to restart Streamer.Bot.